What do you mean?
1 and 2 and 3
And
and
we
we
are
are live.
live now with
Okay.
9 years of Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do anniversary with Barun and Sanaya for all the Sarun fans.
Ah, yeah, Sanaya, you changed so much, yeah, the
Hi.
last 9 years.
Long time
It's
no
such a
see, huh,
surprise to
Varun?
see you. Yeah, I know.
I know you guys don't meet at all.
Yeah.
You
We
guys should
don't,
meet
we
more
don't.
often.
Yeah,
If
I
we
there was
know.
should.
more often, there'll be a lot more fights. Trust me. Abhi bhi nahi.
Okay, so guys, I have prepared a structured question this time because the last interview we had together was when IPK shut down. So I think that was around
Right.
7 years, right? It went
Together,
on for
no,
about
we did
1.5 years.
separately.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah,
did separate. Yeah, but I kind of like
yeah,
we clubbed them together, like
Hmm.
IPK interview with Barun and Sana. It's been a long time. Barun,
Yeah.
you both
yeah,
had come home actually. You both had come home. One day you had come,
Correct.
one day she had come. Yeah, yeah.
Right.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah. So I just
Correct.
wanted to like go back to those days, and I just since all the fans, Sarun fans,
Reclaim our
first
youth.
of all, yeah, reclaim your root, and they insist that we should do the youthful story again with
Yeah.
Barun and Sanaya.
Yeah.
Oh
So
man, oh
anyway,
man.
we just there are lots of people who are crazy about the show. I can see like they're going all rub away. Hey, we love you guys. Barun, love you. Arnav, Khushi, OMG. आज मौसम है सुहाना. Nice. Okay, guys, thank you so much for all the love.
Ah,
And like,
Yeah.
let's start with the question. Let's maybe have it more structured. So I just wanted to remember that time. When was the first time you guys like heard about IPK? What was the first time you heard is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do? When was the first time you heard there was a show like that, or somebody called you for an audition? What was your first uh,
I think
mul-
Anand called me up the first time.
okay.
And yeah, and I had this weird thing going on at that time. You remember? Okay, I'm going to do a small show and I'm going to just do it for a little while and
Oh
then I'm going to
yeah,
go
yeah.
to Australia.
Oh
Uh,
yes.
yeah. So yeah, Anand was the one, and the first I think impression I was given was, "Ki it's going to be we're making a huge show. It's going to be a love saga." I remember he had used these words. So that was the first time I had heard of it.
So that was the time he called you for an audition.
Yes.
That was the
No.
first time.
Yeah, the monologue that I write. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And Sanaya, you?
well, the first time I heard of it was from Nisar. While when we were, it didn't obviously have that name at that time, but Nisar came up to Mohit and he's like, we're making the show, it's for Star, and I want you to be a part of it. And so I heard of it through Mohit because he was going to be Arnav.
Yes, he had Mohit had auditioned Arnav. I remember in a
Yeah,
suit and a blazer and everything. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I remember
So
being very
when
out of place during the audition.
very
What?
Out of place during the audition, matlab.
oh my God, of course,
Oh.
ask me how out of place you were. I thought you were high.
Yeah, yeah. I think everyone thought that.
I thought it too.
Yeah,
The first
Yeah,
time I
you
met
thought
him, I
it.
was like, this dude is high.
yeah,
Yeah, see, he gave that he had this jabru hair and he had
Yeah,
this beard that he had not trimmed for I guess months.
yeah.
And he,
Yeah.
anything, and I could never make out what he was saying. I remember briefing him for some other.
right.
I think somebody else briefed him, and then he was saying the dialogue in a very slurry way. So I was thinking, is he drunk or is he high or is he both? and then he would say his dialogues. I think I'm sorry. What is your name?
I was very
I can't remember.
uncomfortable because there were so many people, and I was very new in the industry at that time. I just done one for a show, and when you do a show, you pretty much get locked down in a studio. So it was weird. So many
See,
actors
Yeah,
were
Barun
also.
will
I
still
think.
talk like that. Like when Barun talks in Hindi,
I'm
I
not
think
talking
it
about
has
talking
something to
about
do
it.
with the. Oh, okay. It has
Oh
something to
yeah,
do with the Delhi, the talking fast in like he talks really
yeah.
fast in Hindi. I don't understand. I
Yeah.
still don't understand when he talks to me in Hindi fast.
That's because you don't know Hindi pretty much.
That's
Shut
true.
up, yeah.
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 Sometimes we would tell her the dialogue is like, what?
Yeah.
What does it mean? I remember
Yeah.
her saying, where is Kanpur? And just to make fun of her, we told her just ahead of
ये
Bandra.
लड़की साउथ बॉम्बे से मलाड तक आई है, ये बहुत बड़ी achievement है.
Anyways, I wanted to ask you guys that how did your first audition go? Because I was there for both of your auditions, and we had not met then. I was, although I was
Right.
at the monitor,
Yeah.
I was at
I
the
was
monitor, but we had not been introduced yet. So how did it go for both of you? Any one of you
very
start first?
weird. Like, तू बता पहले.
नहीं तू जा ना तुम बोल.
जाना कम मतलब वो हिंदी इंग्लिश वाला वो कर दिया. You go first.
अरे यार वरुण go ना.
So,
You just
so
say.
mine was very, as I said, I was very weirded out because and also actually it was a weird audition. Usually auditions happen in closed rooms, but this was happening on a
This was
set.
happening in a hall.
Right. So that is what was wrong with it. I've realized today only. I didn't realize this pehle. So and pretty popular actors for that matter. ऐसा नहीं कि you were testing newcomers or anything. So a
And
lot of
it was
popular.
happening in the hall, and there was already a shoot going on there.
Right. Yeah. So it was pretty
Yeah.
glitzy at that time. So when I had come. So and I didn't. matlab, I had not met you at that time. But obviously you were making the decision and everything. So everyone was when I did whatever I did. So you must have told them ki no, pick him up or whatever. Ki let's test him further. Everyone looked so surprised around me. Everyone like ये इसको दोबारा टेस्ट करना है. So that was my first thing. And I got a hint कि इन लोगों को ना actually they're not very convinced because I think it was
No,
only you.
I was convinced.
Yeah, but I think it was only you, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, initially it was just me.
Right.
Yes.
Everyone was like, I'm guessing because you guys wanted to go with a big name initially or something. That's why I think everyone was very surprised कि इसको बार-बार क्यों test कर रहे हैं. So that was my first experience, and I could figure it out कि ये surprise ना सारे.
No, actually, what happened is the way you had come for the audition, na, you at that point of time, you were not looking like how we were expecting Arnav to look.
Yeah, yeah,
But what I was thinking that इसको ऐसा कर देंगे, इसके बाल काट देंगे, दाढ़ी थोड़ी काट
yeah.
देंगे, थोड़ा
Right.
मेकअप और साफ
Yeah.
बोलने को बोलेंगे.
Yeah. Thankfully मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं पड़ा शो में. मैं पूरा दिन.
तो बंदे में क्या कुछ के साथ. So but Sanaya, what about you?
So Gul, you were not there during my first audition. It was in
I
a
was there, yeah. I was there at the
no,
monitor.
no. So my
No?
first audition was, that proper in a room. It was not the hall
Okay,
wala.
okay.
It
Yeah,
was
yeah. I
in a
was in the
room.
second
एक
one. Yes,
किसी ने
yes.
एक छोटे से कैमरा से ऑडिशन लिया and it was horrible because I was in America for a month and a half before that. I had totally forgotten Hindi, whatever little Hindi I had done in Village of
Look
Hamtum
at
before that.
me and Barun are rolling our eyes. Barun.
And I was told to say the dialogues, and I was so bad, girl, that I came to know later. Somebody told me who was in that room.
मैं
The
बताऊँ
girl
मैं
who was
बताऊँ मैं
taking
बताता
my
हूँ
audition.
हाँ
तो
बता.
बता.
कि क्या बोला कि ये एक्टर है ये वो वाली बात है.
हाँ, ये इसको एक्टर किसने बनाया? इसको एक्टिंग कहाँ आती है? And I came
See,
to
I'm
know
saying
this later.
Sanaya, we should not meet. मतलब we should meet more frequently.
So that was my first experience, and it was you, Gul, that I came to know later. When you went through those tapes, you were like, एक minute, who's that? That's Sanaya, because we had met before, right? We had met in
We had met.
parties and
I had met
the
you.
geek.
You had come to pick up your check for that other show, the two sister show you used to do.
मिले जब हम तुम.
मिले जब हम तुमका चेक उठाने जब तुम एंडमॉल आई थी तो
Yeah,
Geet
and
used
I
to
had
be
also
produced
met
with
you at a
Endemol.
party during
Yes,
Geet ka
Nisar's
launch.
birthday
Yeah,
party. Yes,
whatever.
yes,
Ha,
yeah,
ha,
yeah,
ha.
yeah.
So, so this is, I came to know this later where you were like, is that Sanaya? Is that how she looks without specs? Because I was wearing specs throughout that show.
Yeah.
And they
How
were
do you
like,
guys
yeah.
know
And
all the stuff that happened while you guys are not there in the room?
because the
सब
girl
पता
who took
चलता
my
है.
audition
Ah.
later became my
समझे?
friend.
Yeah, because this is exactly how it went, and she was not there in the room, and she knows it
The
like
girl who
verbatim.
took, yeah, the girl who told me, who said that ye kaisi actress hai, she became my friend later. So she's like, I said these things about you, and then Gul was like, she looks really pretty without specs. Call her back. And she told you that nahi, isne acha audition nahi diya, and you were like, nahi, call her back. It's okay. So I
Yeah,
came
yeah.
back for the
I
next
did
round.
like I, in front of all the fans, I would love to like take that credit that I
Credit.
liked Varun and Sanaya. Yes, credit hogger that I
While
am.
Full
nobody else
credit
liked
to
us.
you.
Huh?
Yeah, nobody else
While
did.
nobody else liked us. और
No,
मेरे
no,
को तो
nobody. In fact, there
yeah,
was absolute strong opposition.
right.
Yeah,
No,
I
मेरे को तो
it's
मतलब
know. I
not
I
heard
just
remember
that too.
the people who were coming to hand me the lines also. This was the look they had. ये आप lines कर लीजिए. And they were also perplexed. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा.
yeah. So, but then when you guys, what I want to ask you that during that time when you guys had done auditions, because generally when you do an audition, there are a lot of other shows in hand, there are a couple of other auditions that are, in your basket. So, how did you feel about that audition, and what were the other shows that were in your basket, and why did you choose this?
I had another show happening for another channel, and I think it was a 6 monthly kind of a deal. So I was very inclined towards doing that. And my audition के time पे my experience till that जब मैंने बोल दिया मतलब कर दिया अपना audition है तो मतलब जैसे you can't judge it. Otherwise, you very critical of it. I've got very confident when I got the response. I had not met you till that time also, matlab, but I knew
No,
this
no,
was
I saw you dur se.
correct. So because I look very threatening, that's why. so,
No.
but since when I got that response, na, and I was sensing, then I figured that I'm gonna get this. It was about ki I'll make my decision ki I'll do this one or the other one, and then there was a lot of conviction from Anand also. Ki it's gonna be great, and obviously in hindsight it turned out great.
So then, despite being it a long running show, you did choose it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'd actually signed on only for 1 year initially with
Yeah,
RC.
yeah, I remember. Don't we all know that now Sanaya and I will
Yeah,
roll her eyes. Sanaya, the eye roll.
Yeah, I
Ah,
roll.
yes.
yeah,
And you,
yeah.
Sanaya, while you were auditioning for this, what all options? You must be having a lot more options.
No, so Gul, it was very different for me. Sorry, Barun, you have to go through this whole process again,
Don't
but
worry about it.
it was very different for me. I had no show in hand. When
Okay.
I got this character, the first time I gave the audition, I found it, and Mohit was still kind of on. Like he was like in everybody's minds at that time, ki he will be the Arnav types, thoda. And I found it extremely interesting, the character. And I kept telling him, I was like, what a character, yeah. Matlab, it's so something I've always run away from extra dialogues, being extra hyper, talking fast,
Uh,
because that was not my comfort zone. But I was like, if I
yeah.
do it and I manage to do it well, it'll be awesome. And so the next time when I got called in for the audition, I remember Mohit and me were both there. It was like an important one. और मोहित को एक अलग सा कमरा मिला था where he was like getting dressed, blow drying his hair. और मुझे I
Really?
was in a room with like yeah, listen to this. I was in a room with like some 10 girls sitting there, everyone doing their dialogues. And I just, just that kept ringing in my ear कि इसको तो acting नहीं आती, इसको तो acting नहीं आती. And I was like, I honestly, Gul, I'm the kind of person who always feels I'll never get something. So rejection was not my fear. It was just कि I wanted to prove that मुझे acting आती है. फिर मुझे show मिले या ना मिले मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So I was like, Sanaya, you have to nail this audition. And I ratto marod my lines. I made all the girls go before me because my Hindi was so bad. I was like, मैं रुकूंगी, मैं line करूंगी. And then I went there and I was like, Sanaya, there are like, I could see Anand, like there were a bunch of 4, 5 people standing there. And everybody was like, Mohit ka tape nikalo, Mohit ka tape bhejo channel mein. And they were like, everything was like Mohit ka hawa chal raha tha us waqt. And I was just like, I told myself, just prove that you can act and leave. Okay. And I gave my take, I remember. And I had to laugh in it, cry in it, tear had to fall. All that happened in that take. And I remember when I finished the take, all those 5 people standing in front of me were like, send a tape to channel, send it to channel, send it to channel. And I was like, okay, I think I've done my bit. I'm going home now.
धीरे धीरे
So
तुम्हारी
for
स्टोरी
me,
मोहित और सुनाया बन गई है.
nahi, for me, honestly, Gol, there was no other show at that point, and I really wanted to do this. And when I got it, I felt for the first time, I felt like, wow, I really got something that I wanted to do. Otherwise, it would never match. Like you want to do something, you don't get it, and then somebody
Yeah,
wants you to do
yeah.
something, but you don't want to. So yeah.
Yeah, good. So why did you guys choose this? That was the first. I wanted to ask you one question. When did you guys first meet? And what was your reaction when you saw each other? Okay, this is the guy who's been finalized.
He's high.
I know Sanaya bought, yeah, he's high. My reaction too. I was always confused whether he's
Okay.
high or he's drunk.
Yeah.
Varun, can I say that story where like you asked me a question or tu piche khada tha and I got really like felt very creepy.
What story? I've
Okay.
not heard this story.
तुझे Varun
Creepy?
shut up यार तुझे
Okay,
पता है
Varun, at
ना
least
I'll
I
tell you.
was saying you are drunk and high. She just called you creepy.
No, no,
I was
no.
another
मतलब like
man. Yeah.
वो like when he spoke to me, I was like, ये बंदा अमेरिका से आया है. इसको act because he has an accent, right? When he speaks in English. Okay, now I didn't know he was like it came from a call center and all of that. I was like, ये बंदा अमेरिका से आया है, drugs करता है, and इसको acting करनी है. Okay, and for some reason, and the first time I met Barun it was the final three goal, if you remember. Barun, Mohit, and me.
Yes.
It
Yeah,
was
yeah,
like
yeah.
who will be chosen. And when I
Yeah.
saw Barun, I went to हाँ baby बोल
Final
रही हूँ
three
हाँ Barun.
मतलब? When I met you the first time, we were doing the look test that day. I was already signed on for a very long time. That's when
हाँ
I
तो
met you.
वही ना नहीं कब
Of course, yes.
जब तू मोहित और मैं तीनों थे उस वक्त याद है तूने जो
कहाँ?
सीन किया था वरुण मेरे साथ हाथ
तेरे साथ.
पकड़ना और वो
हाँ,
सब
हाँ.
तो वो सेम सीन तुझसे पहले मोहित ने किया था मेरे साथ
बहुत पहले किया होगा. उस टाइम तक तो मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन कर चुका
नहीं
था अपना. I
बहुत लोगों ने इस शो का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया था वो अलग बात
shut
है
up. I had
तो क्या है वो
do you
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
remember?
साइन करके
I
मेरे
had I I had done the look test with the at least. Do you remember, Gul? How many girls I had done the look test with?
Yes,
and
I
even
remember.
I
I
had done some
remember.
55 to 60 look tests, by the way, with the girl. That's when I met you the first time, and I didn't remember you because I was doing so many look tests every day. Same thing.
अच्छा the first time I met you was that was my first and actually last time then उसके बाद सब फाइनल हो गया था
उसी दिन final
So
हो गया
then
था.
and
तुम
The
लोग
first time
जब
I met you.
हाँ,
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ
so then
so
then
like
when you
Varun
guys
was like
met on
talking and I was like he's from America he's a drug addict and like full judgment huh? And like no time I judged this man and
No, no
we were
surprises
standing
there,
and
Sana.
we were standing somebody was showing us a scene on the laptop और वरुण ना ऐसे पीछे से मतलब he just like leaned in and he was like he was like what are they trying to show us he asked something and he mumbled it blah, 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 blah. And I was like he said it so fast I didn't even really understand what he was saying and I was like why is he talking to me like I don't want to talk to him I was feeling that way about Varun the first time but then
Yeah.
when I acted with him and I got done with the scene, I remember coming back and telling Mohit, I was like, oh, he's good. I was like, he's good. Yeah.
Thanks for the judgments, man. Good or bad, whatever. All
I'm
of
just
them.
trying to remember what the first day we shot. I can't remember what was the first scene we shot with you, Barun.
With me,
Hmm.
You and Dolly.
right? Yeah.
No, and
The
also I think the fashion show.
fashion show. Me and Dolly.
The fashion
Me
show.
and Dolly.
Yeah. We started with the fashion show. Yes, yes. And
Yeah.
you were
Yeah.
supposed to walk and so then
Yeah.
I wanted to
But
ask you
surprisingly,
guys.
I was not nervous at that time.
Yeah, it was. We were doing it on a rooftop. That
Very
fashion
cool.
show where Sanaya was supposed to fall from the stage on you.
Yeah.
No, we
Yeah.
started Niche. That sequence was shot twice.
That
The
sequence was shot. Even the Dory wala sequence was shot twice. I
shot
remember
twice.
I shot it the
I
second
was
time.
sick. I was
Yeah.
sick during the
You're still sick.
Dorjala sequence.
Mm. Yeah.
You're still
So tell me, I just want to ask you guys, did you guys find your character hard? Barun, you answer that because I know Sanaya has a lot of stories about that and she will start talking about how I
मैं सनाया
made
की
her
बता देता
cry.
हूँ पहले.
But
नहीं नहीं तू
I
बोल वरुण.
यार I was to be honest with you, it's जैसे आप बोल रहे थे ना कि पहले कि how did you figure कि ये शो करते हैं.
हाँ.
It's blurry actually. Maybe I was high. So,
Confession.
so it's blurry because I was still trying to find my footing as an actor. Not मतलब I don't mean to say कि successful होऊंगा या नहीं होऊंगा. मुझे process समझ नहीं आता था इतना ज़्यादा यार. स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह ये सब चीजें अब समझ आ जाती हैं पर वो पहले समझ नहीं आता था. It was just pretty basic, कि let's see where I'm going to be making more money. This looks more promising. It was definitely more interesting. तो क्वेश्चन क्या था?
क्वेश्चन ये था कि तुम्हें कैरेक्टर
हाँ।
आसान लगा
हाँ
था या
तो
मुश्किल
मुझे
लगा था?
ये भी नहीं था कुछ मतलब मेरे को सिर्फ it was like a day's job for me. I actually didn't make any attempts to like or not like it. Eventually I grew really fond of it because the kind of things I got to do.
Okay, so but it was easy for you to play Arnab Singh Raizada.
I think but what made it easy was the approach.
कितना
I think.
मुश्किल था यार, what the ही बोलते रहता था, एक ही गुस्सा रहता था.
मुश्किल क्या था उसमें खड़े तो रहना था खाली. I pretty much had to stand everywhere. And to be honest with you, it was just
Yeah,
the
I
way
mean,
it was written, the show, which made
yeah.
everyone love the character. And it was like, I hope you'll understand this. Ki you when you read something, you know if you'll be able to do it effectively or no, deep down inside. एंड कभी थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर होता है ना तो यू नो कि इसमें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, मुश्किल होगी टू मेक इट
हाँ.
साउंड कन्विंसिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक. इट वाज सो वेल रिटन. आई एक्चुअली जब से हमारे पहले वाले इंटरव्यूज होने शुरू हुए ना, ऑलवेज सेड इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुली रिटन शो एंड दैट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब बिकॉज़ आई थिंक राइटिंग डेली शोज इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जॉब बिकॉज़ यू जस्ट कांट create great stuff every day. And so
Yeah,
that's why I think it's an
it's
exceptional show.
yeah, Arnab was a pretty, very orthoback role, very orthoback role. So
Yeah,
was
yeah,
Kutri.
terrific.
But
Yeah.
Arnab was like, sometimes I remember telling Arshad ke Barun ko mat hilana, camera chala do.
Yeah, that was a tough part, huh? By the way,
Yeah.
lot of times because so many movements होते थे ना. My character was the kind who will not have a lot of emotions. So just being like a stone.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes. Basically to not act.
Sanaya, Sanaya, Khushi was tough for you. I remember your initial days.
Yeah, man, it was really hard actually for me. And you didn't make it any easier, Gul.
Yeah.
Gul, remember when you used to like be like, stop joking around, get
How,
serious.
how
And
is that me making it difficult? That's you making it difficult for me.
I
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
I'm kidding. It was just, yeah, it was really hard. And also, I'll tell you
Yeah,
why,
yeah. I
Gul,
think
because
also because it was
I don't
the
think I ever
Hindi was
told you
very
this.
difficult for you.
Yes, Hindi and speaking fast in Hindi, right? Because you need to know
Hmm.
your
That
language
means you
that
learned
well to be
nothing
able
from
to
me.
speak fast. But honestly, Gol, I'll tell you what, and I don't think I ever told you this. The reason why I was finding it so hard was when I auditioned for it. Remember, I told you I fell in love with the character.
Hmm.
So the character that I auditioned, like when I gave my audition, was the Khushi that everybody sees on screen. But
Hmm.
the initial few episodes, do you remember? Like I had to be like this, scared,
Yeah,
quiet. And suddenly when I started doing that, I was like very like thrown, like I was like, huh?
yeah.
But this is, and I had so prepared myself for that Khushi, the bindas,
Khushi
the
had both the
bubbly.
sides to herself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I remember that's why I found the initial part so hard because I was like, but this is not what I did in the audition, and I couldn't understand it. But of course, at the end of the day, as an actor, all you want to do is like I used to keep telling. I remember Nisar and Man at that time. I was like, I don't want to. Sometimes something is written. A writer writes a character. You need to play it the way the writer has written it, and not the way that I goofed up. And see, the audience never knows what the writer has written. The audience will see you and they'll be like, oh, we love you. They will love any character you give to them, right? So I didn't want to do that upar niche. I kept saying I want to do what the writer has written for this character. So I would keep telling Nisar and Man, ki push me to that limit. And I think eventually that obviously fell into place. And also, I remember you came to me, thoda channel se bhi change hua tha. Remember where you said that now become a little bindas, open up, become that Khushi. थोड़े हमने कुछ reshoot भी किया था initially, and then everything
वो
kind of like,
that Mazar
yeah,
wala sequences which was very difficult for you. I remember
yeah,
there was
that was
there
also.
was there was this part where you had to run and you had to jump over the basket and the burgi was flying and Arnab
And
ka
can
kuch
I
gir
say
jata
this?
hai and
Can I say this on YouTube? I mean, I mean, I think now the whole world speaks very openly. I actually got my period while doing that. I ran so much, I started my period, and
Oh my
and
god.
you
so
were
I
like
just, and I was wearing white, fully white, and I'm
yeah
like,
Yeah.
and you were
what just
also very
happened?
you were very emotional that day, right? Like I remember
Yeah,
you started crying.
Yeah,
yeah,
that happened a
yeah,
lot, by
yeah.
the way. Kun.
It
Huh?
happened a lot to
That
me
happened a
initially.
lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
The
was the
crying
show
part
was so
happened a lot?
difficult for her. Yeah, the show was so difficult for her. It became difficult for me because it was difficult for her. Back
I
basically,
thought because she
basically,
always blamed me, so I thought only when she met me she cried.
No,
I didn't
girl,
know it
I
no,
would
no.
come back home and I would cry to Mohit. I'd be
Mm.
like, I don't know, they should just let me go from the show. I can't do it. And he'd be like, no, baby, of course you can. It was so hard for me to get into Khushi's
yeah, it
this
was. I
thing
remember
role.
it was
Yeah,
very hard. It was
yeah,
very hard for me also because I was like, she's just not getting it, you know, like she's not
yeah, yeah,
that whole bubbly part, matlab, where you have
yeah.
to
So
speak
And you
fast.
were the only one who kind of wanted me, And every time I would see you be disappointed, I would feel like she was the only one who kind of like stood up for me, and now she's
No,
disappointed. What am I doing?
that
it's
can be
not
very tough.
disappointing. No, no, but it's not disappointing. See, it's a process. You cannot read a script and jump into it and be perfect. It's a process,
But
right? You pick
No,
up
but at that
things and
time,
then
Gul, what she must have felt was na, ki there was only one person who was believing in me at the time when no one
yeah,
else was believing in me.
yeah,
And there was shit she was
yeah,
going through. And then eventually disappoint that one person also just takes it away from your own self.
yeah.
yeah.
And
At
that was
that time,
happening
Because like
literally.
you
Yeah.
were so nice to me. Jokes apart, like I said that obviously you made it harder and all, but you were so nice. You would speak so nicely to me. You would explain things to me and all of that. But obviously, when we went on set, you expected something from me. And if I couldn't give that to you, I would come out of it being like, she's so sweet and she's trying to explain something to me. What is wrong with me? Why am I not doing it? So I was like it was initial phase was very bad.
it was difficult for all of us, you know, because it was our first show on Star Plus as well. So of course
Yeah.
our stakes were also very high. So you know, like, what's up, Varun? What?
It was very odd for me because I was extremely comfortable. You know, I was just walking around like a cool dude the whole time. और फिर पूरा time I was like ये लड़की फिर रो रही है यार ये लड़की फिर रो रही है इसका क्या
Ah, yeah.
I was like, and it was
She
like
just
that.
likes to cry.
Yeah, and thankfully, yeah, because we were not one of those TV actors ki bhai, matlab, chalo apna apna karte hain. We were pretty much together the whole time and we were doing things together. So
Yeah.
I couldn't be like, oh, she's crying. So let's just look at some other way.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
couldn't happen either.
she cried a lot.
And
I
I don't think
remember
actually
that.
Hindi was the
But
problem.
also, Varun gets a little. Initially, Varun used to get really awkward also when I used to like cry because Varun is like
Yeah,
the
of
very.
course.
He's not very good at. Of course, now he's my friend, so he's really good at
No, but
it. But
Barun is in
like
any
with
case not
unknown.
a not a very absolutely extrovert person.
Yeah. Matlab,
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
my face. Yeah. The point is that the last thing this is me restrained. I was looking creepy to her. Imagine. What would have happened if I would have been an extrovert? So I didn't know if it was my face or no, but I definitely felt that we were struggling through this together. Something good was
Yeah.
happening, definitely, but she definitely struggled a lot. And I don't think it was only the Hindi. After a point, it was just this whole thing in her mind, ki I'm not getting it kind of a thing.
No, no.
Yeah,
See,
yeah,
honestly, honestly, we were not getting it. Like Khushi part, we were not getting it. At least we were not getting it what I had in my mind. And
Right.
I
yeah,
know the day she got it also because it was in that Mazar.
Right.
You know, there was this final confrontation with you where she runs and she comes in front of you.
yeah,
I know, well, I remember it. I remember it because it was stressing me out. And you know what
yeah,
happens is that everybody feels that you are doing it, but the buck comes and stops at me. And if
Right.
the whole thing is not falling into place, eventually, I am answerable. And more than answerable, it is also the beauty. Now you have thought of something. You've thought of this character who'll go yak 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 yak, and you've thought of this guy who doesn't give a fuck and who'll just say what the
yeah.
like
Mm.
so you have to in your head we are pushing to reach our imagination,
I
and
remember
we,
sorry, you complete.
huh? No, no,
Bolo na bolo.
I'm saying it was so stressful for me that I was not sleeping at night. And
I'm
I was
sure.
thinking, shit, it's not coming out the way it's not coming out. And then I know that day, Mazar day, I was so
I
happy
know,
because
I know,
she
and I
got it.
saw that. Yeah, and
Yeah.
when you told
She
me
got
now
it.
that you were like,
Yeah,
you got it, I was like, okay, I got it. Now I've understood what
yeah,
she wants. Build on
yeah,
this. Hold on to this
yeah.
and just keep
Yeah.
It's
building because
just I know the moment you got it. It was just like, like because I was also
yeah,
so stressed. So
Yeah.
that day was
yeah,
I went
yeah,
home and
yeah.
I slept well because that day she got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That day was
And I
hilarious
got my
also.
period too. I
Yeah.
got it all on that day.
But that day was hilarious because she she had to do all the doing. And I remember I had only one dialogue that day, and that
Yeah.
dialogue was to piss all over Khushi's hard work. If you, when she does the whole thing, they'll say, eventually he's like, take do. When I was doing it, I was like, what a joke.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
man.
So that question we have. So I just wanted to ask you guys that, like, when we do the shows, like, I remember when we write the shows, when we have the writing discussion also, that, when you have to fall in love, it has to be like this, and, like, when you fall in love, like, you fall in love and then you fall in love, right? But when you portray, it is like love. Like, you cannot breathe without that person, and you will not be able to. So in real life, do you guys believe in that kind of love?
Yeah, तू बता भाई मेरे को तो पता नहीं.
मैं नहीं बोल रही, तू बोल पहले.
Yes,
So
तुम लोग ये
I,
खेल कर अभी next I will say I'm starting
yeah,
with Barun.
okay. So
Okay.
I think love का मतलब यार see I'm 35 to be honest with you before I answer this. Okay. I'm
It's
grown up
okay.
now. Love is I think
And you
much
are
more
just
than comfort.
35 and you believe
Yeah,
that. But we'll come
yeah,
to that later.
yeah. So I think it's much more than comfort. If it's about the moments or no, I think it definitely is about moments. I still have mine with my wife, but I think the uh, fantasized filmy version of it only comes with the scripting.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Yeah. I
So
mean, I
you
have my
know,
moments. Yeah, I'm saying. Okay. Also, it might be a possibility that I'm not a writer, so I can't
no,
write
I
them
mean,
down.
it's
In the,
not about
like
right.
they're
It's not
beautiful
like
for me.
you write it also out of experience, right? Because you feel it
Yeah.
exists in the world. So I'm saying that you guys believe that kind of love exists, the kind of love like where you would feel that, if you, I mean,
Well, that
it
happened
doesn't
for
have
me
to
to
be.
be honest. But
I mean, it does exist, Gul, but like now we've been with our partners for so long that now that wala, the
yeah, it's
No,
the
chemistry is
no, that's
flying
not
and the
so.
aqua.
Yeah.
ये तो
No,
पहले पहले
no.
ही
What
होता है.
I
But the point
And I'm
is
not
that
talking about sparks and chemistries or infatuation. I'm saying you believe in that kind of wholesome love.
I'm living that life,
Oh
so of course
yeah,
I'm living it.
yeah, of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
sure.
I do. Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
And in fact, I was trying to articulate was that those moments are also there. Those phenomenal moments that are so huge in your head. I'm saying I'm a very regular person. And I don't think anyone else wants to know, but they're huge in my head, and those moments happen, and they're so connected. Maybe karmically or with respect to energies that you really, really feel them. And I think yeah, that
yeah.
does happen in real life.
Yeah, of course, it's always inspired from real life. So now tell me if that kind of love does exist and if you love somebody, whoever that person is, and if you see that person commit a murder, would you be quiet or would you like call the cops?
Wow.
Sanaya, you answer first.
wow. Um,
Good one, girl. You
that's
got her.
that's hard.
Is it?
Uh,
Is it that hard? I wouldn't blink.
uh, I
It's
mean,
very ironical that you're asking this question
it's so
right
scary. Like
Why?
I'm
Why
feeling
is it
like, oh my god.
ironical?
now. I'll tell you why. When she's Sanaya back.
Um, I think knowing the person I am, I would call the cops.
You would?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now Gul is going to
I
go
I,
mean,
back.
I
I would
would
say it's good
convince,
that for call. I'm calling Mohit.
I would convince him that that was the right
I will
way
call
to do
Mohit
it,
and say,
and
please, even if you want to commit a murder, not in front of Sanaya.
Okay,
Yes,
so very,
Barun,
very.
go.
because I really believe in karma, goal, and I feel like it comes back to you, and I would go mad living with that kind of, if I knew my partner did that and that kind of karma, and I would like, my
Yeah,
life
you
would
will
be
go.
over.
You will go crazier, is what he can say. We can't say you will go crazy.
Or you can just
Oh.
call Barun and cry.
Yeah, that's not happened enough. So
Barun, what would you do?
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't call the cops.
No.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
too. I won't blink without not. I was like, yeah, fine, kill someone else also.
no, no,
What?
yeah, I would not. I would never call. The,
Sanaya?
I'll tell you why it's ironical. You were asking, na Gul. So
Yeah.
I've written a story, and that's exactly what the story is. And
Oh,
it is
okay.
so ironical that you brought this up. But
Okay.
matlab, yeah, and that the modus operandi is very different. But my answer is going to be no. I'm sorry.
Yeah, because yeah. See, because I always feel even when we are
But how
writing
can you
stories,
live with that? That's like so much guilt.
Yeah,
I don't know. That will require a
it's
completely
not guilt.
different session.
You being the person that you are, you'll be
Yeah.
scared karmically and everything. But my point is that I believed in a person that I lived with for all of my life. I won't punish that person for a faux pas. Second one, maybe.
How do you? Abhi,
There is no second murder. That was a joke. One
No, there's no
murder.
first one also.
how do you
But
know it's a faux pas? Now, also, Gullet has to come down to how the murder happened. Was
Okay,
it
I'm
a
just
of
trying to
course.
mistake?
justify.
Was
You've
it a
No,
given your
this
answer.
genuine?
was
Don't try to
just
justify. Mohit is going to
this
jail.
was Mohit is going to jail. We will. He knows that he is going to jail.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Oh God.
But
okay,
interesting
I'm
question.
gonna
I like
ask it. Yeah, because
Yeah.
like everybody says yes, love. Well, there's a different kind of love, right? And there's that was the difference of love, what we were talking about in the first infatuation chemistry, and in a larger
it. Right.
wholesomeness of
Very
love,
well
right?
articulated.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm
I
just
am
going to
very
make a phone call after this to my friend. For tell him to look at better option.
we are recording. So okay, now this is Barun. I'm
Yeah.
gonna say you have to tell me three things that pop up into your head the minute I say Sanaya Irani, and your time starts now. Go.
Crackpot. Loving. Uh, fun.
I couldn't agree more. She is total crackpot and she's very loving.
Yeah, yeah.
Go, Sanaya, the three things that pop into
Oh
your
God,
head the minute I
no.
say Varun Sophie. Go, go, your time starts now. Go, Karma.
I don't know.
Creepy.
Loving, so he is sarcastic and
That's true.
great walking partner.
What? Working partner. Okay.
Walking walk.
Yeah.
We walk. मतलब we do our walks together.
Oh, okay,
इसके
okay.
बाद हम walk पे जाएंगे गुल
Yeah.
when the
और
sun
मोहित
Oh, okay.
jail time discuss होगा.
I'm sorry, Mohit.
Yeah.
So
Keith,
I'm gonna
1 second.
ask,
Keith,
I'm gonna,
out of the
That's
kitchen.
our dog who's trying to
yeah.
go into the kitchen. Their life is very complicated. Poor people.
No, I'm saying that, like whenever, like as a writer or as a creator, when we make shows and we make characters, we always take away something by the end of it. There is
Right.
always a learning, right? So, is there something like that for you guys? Did you take away anything from Arnav Singh Raizada that changed you as a person in real life, or that
I
affected you, or changed your anything that you think, or changed you in any way? What Arnav Singh Raizada was on paper?
I think what Arnav's character, not there was no told saying that made me think like what I thought, but I always thought that it was okay for men to be sensitive since Arnav. It was
Before that, you were too macho.
no, I wasn't nothing. I was always a sensitive guy. It was just that Arnav's whole thing. I really think, anyways, that our world lacks sensitivity anyway. You know,
Yeah.
that's why you have people sending their partners to jail for murders and stuff like that. So, but what Arnav told me was that it was actually okay for men to be sensitive. It was actually required for that matter, I feel. And the physical takeaway that I really, really took away was I took away really good friends. And there's no defining it how good or how important it was, but that was definitely a huge part of. It's still a huge part of our life, my life.
Yeah, you guys are really close.
Yeah.
Sanaya, did you take away anything from Khushi? Did it change you or influence you in any way?
Honestly, Gul, no.
No?
From the character Khushi, no.
Yeah?
No.
No.
Yeah, no.
So it didn't change
No.
you. At least it made your Hindi better.
Yeah. I mean, the process of playing that character changed me as an actor and lots of other things, but the character just didn't change me as a person.
But
Like, I didn't take
Did not
anything from that character.
or did
you,
not influence you in any way.
No.
but the
No.
show did.
Of
Like
course, the show
yeah,
did.
Of
we
course you
spent so
showed it.
much time to like 2 years, and that was pretty much
I mean,
We were 26 at that time. You were like 31 at that time, I think.
Barun.
Oh my God. Like, yeah, Barun, you better not say my age also.
So,
Zip
okay,
it,
so the
huh? Zip
point is
it.
that
Zip
pretty
it.
important years of our life. Matlab, and we spent a very good time, yeah, the whole time. I remember.
Yeah.
The show, of course. I'm just talking about just the
Yeah,
character
I
Khushi, like on
Yeah, yeah.
paper. That
I
did
was
nothing.
asking
Yeah.
about the character, yeah, the
yeah.
differences.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
I'm going to ask
Hmm.
you a question that is slightly explosive, but I think I can afford to ask it to both of you. I just
Sure.
want to ask you if you guys had met before you were not engaged and you were not married, would you guys like each other or date each other? No, right?
that
No, I don't
that
think so.
that that murder that Mohit was going to jail for, that did not happen, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I always like whenever I came on the set and
Uh,
whenever I saw you guys on the screen, I always used to tell people that I have never seen two people who have no chemistry at all in real
No,
life.
actually, we don't have chemistry, or we didn't have. It's just that we'd
No,
wait.
in real life,
in
And
real life.
we have terrific
in real
chemistry
life, like when you're on floor. No
Varun, your
romantic
alag
on the
chemistry.
chemistry.
shoot.
You treated me like a boy in
Yeah,
real
that is the
life.
chemistry, darling. What are you talking about?
Yeah,
But
yeah, with a razor in your hand and wanting to shave the legs. Yes, that's not romantic chemistry.
The
So I was
romantic.
like,
That's what I'm saying.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि जब मैं
nice.
फ्लोर पे रहती थी तो there is like I always used to say that I have never seen like even if people are not romantically involved there can be chemistry, right? People could be
Yeah,
attracted to
yeah,
each
of
other,
course.
and yeah, but you guys, I mean, I saw you guys were like two boys playing
Right.
cricket,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
I
then when
think
you
that
would go on and on screen you would sizzle.
yeah.
That was like really great job by both of you.
So I think the
Yeah,
ease of the relationship made it really easy. There was
yeah.
uh, uh, there was no thinking कि कोई क्या सोचेगा. We were just having fun on the way. और उसमें ही निकल
Actually,
गया.
the whole set was actually nice and
Yeah,
comfortable.
terrific.
Everybody was close, and Akshay.
But Gul, a lot of our closes, Barun and me, most of the time our eyes were
No,
even shut. Like only the two
yeah,
shots we would manage to do looking at each other.
I have seen you laugh the minute Varun would say something seriously, and you couldn't stop
बहुत
laughing.
cheap है.
Because I could see it in his eyes. Barun, tu bahut cheap hai. Look,
भाई तू
okay.
तो हाँ
Whenever
ठीक.
we would, I could. So before somebody laughs, their eyes twinkle. Okay, you can see it in their eyes. So I would see it in Barun's eyes, but he would from there to there ना उसको बहुत time लगता था transfer होने में और तब
मैं
तक
करता
मेरी
ही था.
हंसी छूट जाती थी.
Please,
And then I would.
blame करने के लिए it was like that.
Oh, my funniest incident that I remember was that वो वरुण के रूम के सामने जो pool था ना. So Barun was
हाँ.
it was supposed to be deep, and Barun was supposed to swim in it, and we had conceived a lot of scenes where he would dive in it, right? And eventually that pool was only 1 feet.
Yeah.
Barun would stand there, it's only this much of his feet would be water,
Uh,
and it was so funny. We had to totally sink that pool.
yeah.
Oh, shit. But overall, I think it was like a great experience. And for all the
Yeah.
people who write to me and ask me if I hate Sanaya, this is for the nth time. I do not hate Sanaya.
If you hate Sanaya,
Oh my God.
Yeah, apparently
People
I hate.
have, yeah, people are like, that Gul said this about you, and this said about this one said, and I'm like, oh
Yeah,
my God, no.
yeah. So Sanaya and
Yeah,
I are very fond of each other. We are not absolutely
yeah,
like close friends, and we don't meet each other, and we don't
yeah,
call each other every day. But when
yeah,
we do meet each other, we don't kill each other. And Barun is
yeah.
not calling the police,
Varun is
I-
not calling the
Not
cops.
calling them.
calling the.
Varun, I have a question. If I killed somebody, would you call the cops?
No. Oh shit.
No.
Cheap आदमी.
No.
No, he won't
हाँ,
call.
तू छुपाता murder मेरा.
यार देख तेरा the
नहीं
point of trying
वरुण,
to
नहीं
make
हम
it.
ये नहीं कर सकते यार.
चल ठीक है बोल दूंगा कोई बात
Abhi,
She
you
will
have
be
to like,
guilty.
नहीं. No बोल दूंगा.
yeah,
Don't
I
worry.
mean, like,
I'll send you
imagine
that.
having to live with
No
it.
problem. My job is done. I've said no. Fantastic.
But अगर गलती से murder हो गया तो ठीक है, okay.
भाई
अरे
बचाएगा
वो
तेरे को
all
जितना हो
will
सके.
eventually
Conspiracy
will
करके.
all call the cops.
But but we can fight self defense. वो भी हो सकता है, रहने दो,
तो
हम fight ही
हाँ,
कर लेंगे court में.
that was a joke,
मेरा
Sanaya. Eventually,
अच्छा
we'll
अच्छा
all call the cops. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि we won't call the cops? Eventually, we'll all call the cops.
मैं क्या करता हूँ, कल एक प्लान करते हैं
हम्म,
अपन, बाई चांस
हम्म.
कश्मीर से हो गया बाई चांस, तो फोन करके बोलता हूँ सनाया ने किया, ठीक है? तेरी विश पूरी हो जाएगी.
Okay, guys, I guess now that's
बहुत
done
cheap.
because
Yeah, this is a very dark conversation.
Yeah.
what? This is
Very dark conversation. Let's stop this.
now, if you guys want to say something to your fans, you can say, and then we can call it a wrap.
Okay. बोल भाई.
Okay?
क्या बोलूं?
तू बोल.
मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, वो I mean, it's remarkable actually, how long this whole phenomena has gone on, and I think this is a good time to, matlab, I've always said this actually, ki the writing of the show was great, so all credit to you, Gul and Gotham.
And the team, yes.
Yeah. So I think there's a reason the show went on to become great. Like, and we people when they hear this kind of stuff, they usually don't believe it. But I think that not only the main actors or one or two, or every damn person on the show was so
Yeah.
amazing. It was such a phenomenal environment that everyone went in. Well, everyone's hard work went in into making the show great. And you guys have watched this for a very long time, and I want to thank everyone.
Sanaya.
Yeah, I mean, I say this in multiple interviews, honestly, Gul. I feel extremely blessed to be part of a show like this. Very rarely does, I mean, you're literally living on, like, in people's minds and hearts for like, it's been 9 years, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. People still go on like Khushi, Khushi, Khushi. Anywhere I go, like anywhere I travel, people know me as Khushi. And I just feel, as an actor, there are times in your life where you're not working as much, and then you feel that, oh, you're forgotten, people won't. But I think this show has made me just stay alive. Like, and I feel extremely blessed, and I want to thank all our fans for just loving the show and giving us so much unconditional love.
Yeah.
It's really
Yeah, that's
unconditional.
true.
Like, even when we aren't doing things, they are like, we are waiting and we believe in you, and all of that. And it's true. And when something comes out, they are so like gracious when it comes to saying some good stuff about it. It feels really good. So I feel really,
Yeah,
really
yeah,
blessed.
yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, both of you, for the time. And this was all for the fans' request. And
Hmm.
despite the entire, I don't think I've ever told it to you guys, despite all the opposition, I stuck to you both. And I think you both rocked it and killed it. I don't think Arnab and Kushi would have been the same
Thank
without you
you.
guys.
Oh, sweet.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you,
I
girl.
love
Thank
the
you for
way how you
believing in
guys
us.
did it. Yeah, you guys did a phenomenal job.
Thank
And
you.
I think the way you guys did it, it is like, now immortal in fans' eyes.
Crying.
And yeah.
We had a great time, bro.
Yes.
I think I
So,
should cry before this interview ends. Once
oh my
more.
God, that's going to be very
No.
easy. Should we try,
Can I
Varun?
get out first?
Okay. ठीक है. So
No, no,
thank you to
no.
all the fans for making the show even still so alive. Every day they still message us and they are amazing.
Yeah.
Without the
Yeah.
fans, none of this would be possible. Thank you guys. And this interview was for the fans because they kept telling me
Yeah.
that I should do something for the 9-year anniversary. So I hope they're happy now.
9 years,
Thank you
I
man.
hope
guys.
they're
Oh,
happy
Yeah.
too.
Thank
long.
you,
Thank
Varun and Sana, for
you.
Let's
taking
discuss
out the
ages
time,
later.
guys. Yeah.
Kya?
But
What?
that's
I think let's
he'll
discuss
call
ages
it.
later.
He'll call you and
Okay.
tell you how old you were and how old you are now.
Okay, moving
Okay, but
on. Tata. Bye
okay. And
bye.
thank you, Star Plus,
Thank
for putting the show on air.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye,
Star
guys.
Plus. Thank you.
And thank
Bye.
you for
How do
taking out
I
the
end
time
this?
today. I'll
This
end
studio.
it.
Please. हाँ, okay, okay.
Thank you for taking out
वरुण
the time.
walk पे जाना है?
Varun,
Yeah.
Wow.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
bye, bye.
Bye.